Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll guide you on how to install our shower hinges. Whether it's normal or heavy duty, each hinge is designed to offer effortless operation and secure support. Let's take a closer look at how shower hinges work. The internal mechanism uses a 5-degree pivot pin. This pin plays a key role in maintaining a 90-degree angle with the wall, even when the wall isn't perfectly aligned. Now, let's walk through the installation process. Begin by measuring and marking your shower space. Once marked, use Grey Goat drill bits to drill holes in the wall. Next, attach the hinges to the glass, ensuring they are tight. Carefully position the door in place. For safety and precision, having a second person assist is recommended. Once positioned, secure the hinges to the wall and ensure everything is level. Finally, test the door to ensure smooth operation. Make any small adjustments as needed. At GGS Hardware, we offer a wide selection of shower hinges designed to complement your bathroom's aesthetic while providing durable, long-lasting support. Let's understand more about our hinges. Our regular series designed for standard glass doors, offering sleek design and reliable support. The heavy-duty series is built for thicker glass doors, providing extra strength and stability. Extra heavy-duty series is engineered for the heaviest doors, delivering maximum durability and premium design. Whether you prefer square, round, or pivot hinges, Grey Goat Hardware has the perfect solution for your bathroom. Explore our range today.